Hi guys, today we're at Nissan Birmingham, Chester Road. We did promise a video on the Ariya before and after. We uploaded a video recently of the before where the vehicle was all wrapped up and had just literally arrived from the factory. This is it now in the showroom. You can see when it's clean, the colour does pop out. It does look really nice in this colour. So this is the same vehicle that we looked at earlier. So it's an Ariya Evolve. Sorry, and this one's available immediately. You can see all the plastic covers have all been removed now. It's a beautiful interior. Do get in touch if you want to test drive this one or come in and have a look at this one. Thank you.